Hello cuties, welcome my new video. In this video we are learn 2D shapes. This is 2D shapes. First learn some color scheme. Wow, this is colors. Blue color, yellow color, brown color and light green color, orange color, pink color. Wow, this is red color. Hello kids, draw with me. I am drawing 2D shapes. This is square. Hello kids, what is this? This is square. And this one? This is hexagon. Hello kids, what is this? This is hexagon. And this one? Circle. This is circle. Hello kids, draw with me and say it with me. This is star. This is star. And this one? Rectangle. Wow, this one rectangle. Hello kids, what is this? This is 2D shapes heart. 2D shapes heart. Hello kids, let's coloring the 2D shapes. This is first one red color. I am coloring square. This is square. And next one blue color. I am coloring hexagon. This is hexagon. This is hexagon. This is light green color. I am coloring circle. Hello kids, you color with me. This is light green color. Coloring circle. Wow, circle is finished. The next one yellow color. Coloring star. Wow, this is yellow star. Yes, this is yellow star. This is star. And this one orange color. Coloring square. No, this is rectangle. Hello kids, this is rectangle. I am coloring rectangle. This is rectangle. This is square. This is pink color. I am coloring heart. This is heart. Wow, pink heart. Yes, this is pink heart. This is heart. Square, hexagon, circle, star, rectangle, heart. Hello kids, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. To be continued next video.